Spirit Airlines is doing a great job keeping up its reputation as most hated airline. If you thought their non-reclining seats were uncomfortable, wait until you see this latest marketing campaign. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz60, and someone at Spirit Airlines thinks it's just hilarious that a bunch of celebrities' photos got hacked. The company promoted its cheap fares with an even cheaper shot at stars like Jennifer Lawrence and Kate Upton, whose intimate photos were leaked by the illegal hacking. Spirit sent out this email for the airline's latest fare sale, calling it their Bear Fares, because the prices are so low they're practically naked. And apparently we weren't supposed to see it because Spirit is claiming the prices were hacked. Unleash the hate tweets. This is creepy and inappropriate. Very tacky marketing choice. Awful and insensitive. Fire your marketing team. But if there's anyone who's thanking Spirit's marketing team, it's the flight attendants, who are glad to see passenger anger diverted for at least one day. Buzz60, now you know. Pass it on.